Hello, little learners. Are you ready to learn your letters with yummy fruits and veggies? Let's get started. A for apple. C, apple. B for broccoli. C, broccoli. F for corn. Fake. Almond. D for dragon fruit. C, dragon fruit. E for eggplant. C, eggplant. F for fig. C, fig. G for grapes. Fig, grapes. H for honeydew melon. C, honeydew melon. I for iceberg lettuce. F, I, iceberg lettuce. J for jackfruit. C, jackfruit. K for kiwi. Say kiwi. O for lemon. Say lemon. M for mushroom. Say mushroom. N for nutmeg. Say nutmeg. O for orange. F, orange. B for pumpkin. Say pumpkin. Q for quince. Quince. R for raspberry. Say raspberry. S for strawberry. Say strawberry. T for tomato. Say go ahead, go. U for obidi. Say obidi. V for Vidalia onion. Say Vidalia onion. W for watermelon. C, watermelon. X for flaxseed. Say flaxseed. Y for yam. Say yam. Z for zucchini. Say zucchini.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun content.